Ogberuru Ancient Kingdom is located in Orlu local government area of Imo State, Nigeria. It is one of the closest communities to Orlu town, sitting about a 10 minutes drive from the Orlu central area. Because of its proximity to Orlu, Ogberuru benefits from both rural calmness and urban access. The name Ogberuru is derived from the expression Ogberuru Eru, which means a blessed community filled with abundant and resourceful qualities. The meaning of the name reflects how the people see themselves: blessed, resilient, and industrious. According to oral history, Ogberuru traces its ancestry to Ochasi. Ogberuru is regarded as the first male son of Ochasi. He was known for being obedient, peaceful, hardworking, intelligent, and physically strong. Because of his exposure, wisdom, and strength, he earned the nickname Ochasi Akwiliko Nwata Arielu, meaning one who cannot be cheated, defeated, or deceived carelessly. He was considered a great man, and the people believe that his greatness still lives in his descendants today. Oral accounts also say Ogberuru had 10 children, from whom the different lineages and villages emerged. Geographically, Ogberuru is divided into two main sections, which are Elugu and Amani. The villages under Elugu include Umuazala, Umuenweren, Isiakpo, Eziama, Umuelele, and Abo. The villages under Amanano, also Amani, include Obaha, Umunnam, Umuebe, and Umumneme. These villages together make up the full structure of the town. The landscape of Ogberuru is a mixture of hills and valleys, with several natural streams flowing through the community. The terrain gives the town both scenic beauty and agricultural advantages. Ogberuru is often described as a rapidly developing community. In recent years, the town has witnessed significant infrastructural growth. Roads are being constructed, estates are being developed, and modern houses are replacing older village structures. Many successful indigenes, including businessmen and wealthy sons of the soil, are investing heavily in the town. The transformation is sometimes described as turning a village into a city. Chief among them is Ikenga Ogberuru, also known as Panteka. He is known for constructing roads and building houses for the people of Ogberuru. Ogberuru is a proud Igbo community with strong traditional values. The people uphold respect for elders, communal unity, and family lineage systems typical of Igbo society. The town is known for being peaceful and united. One of the most notable cultural moments is the annual Christmas gathering, when sons and daughters of the land, both at home and abroad, return to celebrate together. These celebrations strengthen unity and identity. Beyond geography and infrastructure, Ogberuru is defined by its people. The community sees itself as strong, intelligent, peaceful, and resilient, traits believed to have been inherited from their ancestor Ogberuru, son of Ochasi. There is a deep sense of pride, identity, and forward movement in the town. While maintaining its tradition, Ogberuru continues to modernize and grow. Ogberuru is more than a geographic location. It is a heritage community built on strength, wisdom, and resilience. From its rich ancestral origins to its present-day transformation, Ogberuru represents the enduring spirit of industry, peace, and progress within Orlu local government area and Imo State at large. The greatness of its founding ancestor continues to reflect in the achievements and aspirations of its people today. Register your children in our Igbo Academy and see great improvement. If you also want to learn content, DM me. And we have power banks for sale. If you want it, also DM me. 20k, 30k, and 50k mAh. I'm just a DM.